Excuse me. Hi, YouTube. This is Diva 1 coming to you with an unboxing. As you can see, I've already tore the main box over. Well, up. And, want to show you what I got. My daughter, my oldest daughter, she's older, but she's not old. My baby girl, my older baby girl. She told me she was sending me, well, she was looking at shoes, and she asked me what kind I wanted, and I said, I don't know, whatever kind there is. She said, well, what color do you want? I said, something neutral, because I know that I'm going to wear them with, skirts or slacks or capris or shorts or whatever, because it's getting ready to get, well, spring is here, it's going to get warmer, so I say something neutral that I can wear with several things. And I knew that I already had a pair of New Balance, which are gray and white, so I said, well, just get me something neutral. So we got these in the mail, and as you can see, she got them from, I think it's called Zappos. And, oh look. Okay, let me get these out of here. Yeah. A pair of black. Let me put my hand through. Can you see them? Nike sneakers. And that's neutral. Haha. I asked for neutral, and this is good. Now, y'all tell me, what color socks am I supposed to wear with black sneakers? I'm used to white sneakers. But anyway, thank you, Monica. Thank you, Keith. I love you both. Bye-bye.